Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we will make baked zucchini cheese fritters. Let me show you how easy and healthy is this recipe. The first step is to grate our zucchini. Sprinkle with salt. Stir to incorporate and let the zucchini rest for 15 minutes so they can release liquid. Start squeezing out as much liquid as you can. I have to admit that this step is usually done by my boyfriend, but now he is busy with the camera. Moving back to our recipe, the next step is to combine all ingredients. Add 2 eggs, 1 cup grated feta cheese, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Chop 2 tablespoons of fresh dill for an extra flavor and also grate 4 garlic cloves. Add 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Season with black pepper. Stir all ingredients to combine. I really like to use my hands because this way I feel the real texture. The last step is to form our zucchini fritters. They are actually looking like patties. Place them on the baking sheet and make sure you leave some space between them. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake them for 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown on top. Transfer them to cool while we are preparing the yogurt sauce. This sauce recipe is super easy to make. Use 1 cup of Greek yogurt and combine it with 1 tablespoon of grated fresh dill. Stir to combine and voila! Our fritters are ready to be eaten. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell to get notified every time I post a new recipe. See you next time with another delicious recipe.